In today's video I'll show you how I make some super cool silver shields. Now this was a little commission from Si the Soundman for Stackers Social's birthday bonanza. He wanted me to make 3 little shields for the 3 founders of Stackers Social, so let's get straight into it. Si reached out to me and he wanted to do something cool for the other 2 co-founders. He wanted me to try and make something so they've all got something to remember the journey, and we had some backwards and forwards and we were just trying to come up with something that'd be really cool. And Si come up with a great idea. He wanted to get like 3 pieces. It's a commemorative piece, so I was like, okay, why don't we do something that fits together and all this. And I went off on a right tangent doing circles, cutting a circle in 3 and all this. And then Si come up with a cracking idea about a shield. Now I'm sure Si will go into it in more detail after this video. So here we go, 365 and TSC. Si's done all this for you. He's set the seed, done the idea. So sit back and watch what you weren't allowed to see. Now because this design's got some lettering on and some like rivets around the outside, I haven't compressed the sand very hard, and as you can see I'm actually pushing it in, so I'm only doing a very light compression so we don't get no breakage, because letters are very tricky for me. I'm not very good at letters, so that's why I've done it this way and not my regular way of doing things, of actually compacting the sand on top of the mould. And a hell of a lot of powder on this one because it is a Saturday. Oh yeah, there we go, look at that bad boy. There's size. Little bit of breakage on the wire which I just had to push in. There we go, let's crack on with the pour, let's get it together and let's get these poured. Oh yeah, look at this. Now watch this for skill. The old 2-in-1. A graphite bar and a sandcast. Here we go. Look at that for skill. So now we're just doing a bit of printing. This is just to do the cases. So I wanted them in some cool cases, so I was able to source some antique cases. I keep saying cases, don't I? But so what we're doing here, we're just doing the interior, just doing the 3D print for that. Right then, TSC, Si and 365, you better open up the packages you've received then. I sent them all off as Si requested, so now it's time to open them and have a look at them in the hand, as it were. Hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have, and there you go, 365 TSC, they're from Si. Hope you enjoy. Cheers guys.